Good morning, dear students. In this class, we will learn about History, Chapter 5, Rulers and Buildings, Spell List, and Question Answers Reading Practice. Let's start, children. Residences, Caravanserais, Superstructure, Trebate, Corbelled, Arcuate, Auspicious, Symmetry, Emphasize, Proclaim, Chronicler, Chahar Bagh, Inspiration, Architectural, Innovations, Hast, Bishit, Harmonious, Witnessed, Ceremonial, Imperial, Pitra Dura, Pitra Dura, Depicted, Accomplishment, Thatched, Patronage. Let's have a glance. Answer the following questions. How is the Trebate principle of architecture different from Arcuate? Trebate. In Trebate principle of architecture, roofs, doors and windows were made by placing a horizontal beam across two vertical columns. Arcuate. In Arcuate principle of architecture, the weight of the superstructure above the doors and windows are carried by arcs. What is a sigara? A sigara is the topmost pointed portion of a temple. What is Petra Dura? Petra Dura refers to the colored hard stones placed in depressions carved into marble or sandstone, which create beautiful ornate patterns. What are the elements of a Mughal Chahar Bagh garden? Mughal Chahar Bagh garden was placed within rectangular walled enclosures and divided into 4 quarters by artificial channels. The 4 divisions were symmetrical. Fifth question. How did a temple communicate the importance of a king? By building a temple, the ruler tried to assert his position as the most powerful and divine. People considered the temples as miniature models of the world ruled by the kings and its allies. By worshipping in the temples, it was supposed that the kings who built them had brought the just rule of the gods on the earth. An inscription in Shah Jahan's Diwan-i-Khas in Delhi stated, "If there is paradise on earth, it is here, it is here, it is here." How was this image created? The image of paradise on earth was created through the construction of audience halls, which were modeled like a mosque. The pedestal of Shah Jahan's throne was frequently described as the Qibla, the direction which Muslims face while praying. These architectural features communicated a sense of divine justice and the idea that the king was the representative of God on earth. How did the Mughal court suggest that everyone, the rich and the poor, powerful and the weak, received justice equally from the emperor? This was done by using a series of Pitadura inlays in his throne that depicted the legendary Greek god Orpheus playing the role. What role did the Yamuna play in the layout of the new Mughal city at Shahjahanabad? The imperial palace commanded the riverfront. Only specially favored nobles were given access to the river. All others had to construct their homes in the city away from the river Yamuna. Thus, the Yamuna played an important role in the layout of the new Mughal city at Shahjahanabad. The rich and powerful construct large houses today. In what ways were the construction of kings and their courtiers different in the past? The houses of the kings and their courtiers were big structures with big courtyard, thick walls, domed roofs, huge pillars, big gardens, and well decorated halls. But today houses have no courtyards, nor gardens or thick walls, nor domed roofs. In many ways, these are inferior to those of the kings and their courtiers' houses. Look at the figure 4. How could that building be constructed faster today? The building shown in figure 4 can be constructed faster today by using highly developed machines and technologies. Find out whether there is a statue of or a memorial to a great person in your village or town. Why was it placed there? What purpose does it serve? There are statues or memorial to great person in my town. It is placed in villages or towns to inspire others for doing selfless deeds like that of the great person. Visit and describe any park or garden in your neighborhood. In what ways is it similar to or different from the gardens of the Mughals? The gardens of Mughals gardens were spread over a very large area. There were a large variety of flowers. They were well decorated and protected, but the garden in my neighborhood is not so large. Everyone has easy access to this garden. People came from morning and evening walk in the garden. Thus, we don't find any similarity. However, the park in my locality was constructed with fountains, but it needs maintenance to remain the same. Dear students, kindly copy the question answers in your classwork and get ready for the slip test. Thank you, children.